To start off the design, we're going to do the galaxy background first. We're going to apply a nice and thin layer all over the nail of your chosen black. Make sure it covers the whole nail and it's nice and even. Dip your blending brush onto white gel and start dabbing it onto the nail to create an abstract and starry look. Next, you want to be applying 3 different jelly gel polishes onto the nail and cure. Once cured, we're going to apply a layer of matte top coat. We are going to add some more details at the end, but for now we're going to go straight into the character. Using light gray, I'm going to start mapping out a shape of an oval. Make sure to keep that shape nice and wide. We're going to divide the oval into 2, using this as a guide for where the ears are going to start. On the right side, I'm going to add a bump just under the ear, add a diagonal line, and then a bump at the end of that diagonal line. Notice how there's a gap between the left ear and the left bump. We're going to fill in the shape, sort it out a little bit, and then cure. For the hair, we're going to add a bunch of triangles using denim blue to surround the head. Make sure the triangles are nice and wide and not perfect in shape. I'm going to add a couple more triangles at the bottom and then start filling in the hair. For the brows, I'm going to add one long diagonal line to meet the hair on the right side. We're going to flash cure this and move on to white gel polish. I'm now going to start mapping out 2 circles underneath the brow we just painted. For the jacket, I'm going to start with a curved line, a straight line underneath, and then a straight line parallel to the second line we just painted. For the second arm, I'm going to outline the bump and then pull a straight line and add another straight line parallel to it. I'm now going to fill in the jacket, the eyes, and then cure. Using a black liner gel, I'm now going to outline the eyes. For the nose, I'm going to paint a narrow U shape in between, making sure the right side is higher than the left. I'm going to continue by outlining his brows, adding 2 curved lines on top of his eyes and 2 curved lines underneath. For the mouth, we're going to add a diagonal line in between the 2 bumps we painted earlier, making sure to keep it nice and thick, a bit sausage-like. I'm going to outline both bumps, pulling them inward slightly, and then outline the bottom of his face. I'm going to add 2 more straight lines in between the eyebrows and the bumps on each side, and then outline the ears. I'm going to complete the rest of his forehead and then move on to the jacket. I'm going to paint a little bump and then pull 2 straight lines diagonally for his right arm. I'm going to outline the left side and then add 2 straight lines in the center of the jacket. I'm going to add 2 triangles on the side of each line to complete the jacket. I'm going to outline the right side and then continue the 2 lines from earlier. To finish up outlining, we're going to start outlining the hair, and then I'm going to use a dotting tool to create 2 little dots in the center of his eyes. We're now going to cure and then fill in the midsection of his jacket with mint. Using white gel polish, I've also painted his teeth. Unfortunately, the footage was quite blurry, so I couldn't include it. But to finish off, I've also outlined the teeth using black to make them pop out a little more. I've decided to add a little dribble coming out of his mouth and then fill it in with jelly green. Remember how we said we're going to come back to the background? Now grab your white gel polish and start adding white dots on the background to create additional stars. And this is it, guys. It's time to seal in the goodness with the layer of matte top coat. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments below.